Hello TSB group. I'm going to explain how to calculate your RFC with the function I provided you in the Excel file. So, as you can read, the RFC is formed by the first two letters of your first last name, the first letter of your second last name, the first letter of your first name, the last two numbers of your birth year, the numbers of your birth month, and the numbers of your birth day. For example, in the case of Manuel Isaac Bacapcanche, his RFC should be BACM 961109. For Irma Gabriela, it should be CAPI 971025. And for Christian Rodriguez, it should be ROFC 000306. Okay, so next, there are some rules when calculating the RFC, but for this exercise we only follow the basics. Study the following function to calculate your RFC and copy it into cell B13. Compare it to your curve, and so it must be similar. The function is upper concatenate left trim B10, that is your first last name, and we take the two first letters. After this, with the function concatenate, we get the first letter of the second last name with this part. Then with left trim B9, we get the first letter of the first name. Then we need the last two digits of the year, which is from the date in B12, and because the function, the RFC, is a text, I convert the year into text, but using this format, 0 and any number. And from this I only need the two last digits. I do the same with the month, and I do the same with the day. After we concatenate all of these, we use the function upper to make all capital letters. So let's see. If I write concatenate left B10, 2, okay, then the second last name, then the first name, and then I don't know what is this, and I don't know what is this. That's why he gets these strange numbers. In the case of Irma Gabriela, it seems to be correct, but what happens if instead of October she was born in January, and not on the 25th but on the 5th of January? It has only 4 numbers, 9 and 7, that is the year, 1 is the month, 5 is the day. And for Christian, we have pretty much the same. So I don't know what are these strange numbers. So study the following function to calculate your RFC and copy it into cell B13. So you already know that with trim we clear all the extra spaces from a text, in this case from the name or the last name. We get two characters, the same with the second last name, the same with the name. Then with the function text we convert a number, which is each the year, and from the year that is in text format we take only the two last numbers. We convert the month into text with this format, and we convert the day with this format. Why with this format? Because for the RFC, here with the RFC for Irma Gabriela, we need 2 digits, but what happens if the day is or the month is less than 10? It happens something like this. We get only 1 digit. With this format we get the 2 digits. And for the upper function is to convert all the letters in capital letters. So I see that Manuel wrote his last name with the first 2 letters in capital letters, but what if I write Bacaba? Or what if I write, can change small letter, or what if I write Manuel in small letter? The same for this. Let's say I do this and I change this. I write small letters for this name, so the RFC changes. It's the same in the case of Irma Gabriela. That's why we use the function upper to convert all letters in capital letters. And the second part of the instruction says copy it into cell B13. Okay, I'm going to copy the function into cell B13, and you can see 4 letters, 2 digits for the year, 2 digits for the month, and 2 digits for the day. Let's do the same for Irma Gabriela. Oh, sorry. I'm copying this. 2 digits for the day, for the year, 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day. And let's do the same for Christian Rodriguez. Okay, so that's the use of this function. The important part of this was copy the function into cell B13. And one final comment for this. Okay, that's all. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.